Hello and welcome to Proxmox Tutorials. This video shows the highlights of the new point release for Proxmox Virtual Environment 9.2. Proxmox VE 9.2 introduces a dynamic load balancer for scheduling cluster resources. It takes the real-time utilization of nodes into account when placing guests to ensure optimal resource usage at all times. To give you full control, the scheduler offers configurable options to fine-tune exactly when rebalancing triggers and how it acts. When enabled, the load balancer tries to minimize load imbalance across the cluster. High-availability managed guests are automatically migrated between nodes, without requiring manual intervention. This version significantly improves cluster-wide high-availability control during maintenance windows. A dedicated control for temporarily suspending high-availability resource management is now provided. Freeze mode prevents any changes to the operational state of guests, while Ignore bypasses HA constraints. Once activated, high availability stops monitoring nodes, and your maintenance window can proceed safely. After maintenance is complete, you can simply turn on again the high availability resource management. Proxmox VE 9.2 introduces the ability to manage cluster-wide custom CPU models from the web interface. The CPU flag selector shows the supported processor flags per cluster node. This makes it easy to spot possible compatibility issues up front. Custom CPU models give you precise control over exactly which processor features are exposed to your virtual machines. Proxmox VE brings native support for WireGuard as a new Fabric protocol. WireGuard is a fast, modern, and secure VPN tunnel. It is used to provide a secure network for traffic between cluster nodes, even across physical sites and untrusted network segments. To simplify management, key distribution is handled automatically across the entire cluster. Additionally to the new WireGuard Fabric, Proxmox VE 9.2 also brings a new fabrics type based on BGP. This version introduces route maps and prefix lists for fine-grained BGP and EVPN route filtering. This provides the necessary tools to build more complex network topologies. Route maps enable matching of incoming and outgoing routes based on specific route properties. Routes can then be filtered and modified before they are advertised. To complement this, prefix lists define explicit sets of IP prefixes to filter routes. Together, they control exactly which routes are advertised by a fabric to the kernel routing table. This version fully integrates with Ceph Tentacle. When installing Ceph via the web interface or command line on a new cluster node, it now defaults to version 20.2, codenamed Tentacle. Proxmox Virtual Environment version 9.2 is based on the latest Debian 13.5, codenamed Trixie. It is combined with leading open-source technologies for virtual environments. This includes the latest Linux kernel 7.0 as the new default kernel, Ceph Tentacle 20.2, QEMU 11, LXC7, and OpenZFS 2.4. The new version is available now in all of our repositories, or download the ISO today and start exploring all the new features.